Looking to increase your capabilities with the EFI roll-to-roll printers? They're loaded with power tools that'll help get the job done. Introducing the new version of our best-selling optional Y-slitters for trimming off excess margins during printing. Now you don't have to worry anymore with those trim margins. The newly designed slitters with waste collectors roll up the trimmed media and prevent loss caused by uncollected remnants. You'll increase overall productivity and save costs on finishing equipment and labor. EFI roll-to-roll power tools expand your printer's capabilities, enabling you to print on any media type and to produce virtually any application.